G'day folks, today we got a little something different for you. We are going to show you how to disassemble a joint display in order to prep it for moving. So, reason that being, I got an email last night for a video request, and the video request said, please do a video on how to disassemble a joint display if you have one. And I said sure to that video request, and we're going to do it. So first thing we're going to do, this is relatively simple and easy job to do. First thing we're going to do, we're going to unscrew our nuts that hold your hardware and that hold your locking nut in place and keep the bolt in place. So you just simply unscrew your bolts like that, and all that's left are your you unscrew the nuts off the bolts, and all you have left are your lock washers. So we're going to do the same here. As you guys can see, we're just about ready to pull everything apart. The next piece of hardware we have to remove is our lock washers. So we're going to go ahead and just simply pull these off. Now, as you guys can see, we do have two different sizes here of lock washers. Alright, looks like we got all 6. And before we can pull the joint bars apart, you have to take the bolts out. So we're just going to do that and just pop them loose. And just like that, we have all our hardware taken apart. And now what we're going to do, we're going to pull the joint bars apart from the rails so we can separate them. And that is how you take apart a joint display to get it ready to move. Thanks for watching.